Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Mailto link, embed, or redirect link using your Elementor plugin for the site builder on your WordPress website from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator. So as you guys can see, here's what the dashboard looks like. And the idea here is we want to get access to our site editor, and there are a couple ways to get there, like clicking on edit site under quick links, or clicking on appearance, or I should say hovering over appearance and clicking on editor, or going to pages and manually configuring the pages that you want to edit. So to actually do it, I'll show you guys, here's what the site editor looks like. And the idea here is when we go to add a new widget, as you can see, we're going to use Mailchimp in this case. So the idea is we first want to create a new container, or we could, you know what, let's actually use this one right here. So what we're going to do is simply type Mailchimp, and we're going to drag this widget right here over to this sub container right here, or this box. So from here, you guys can see that you can manually configure a mail-to function or a redirect function to anyone who visits your websites and interacts with this box right here. So here you get to configure details like the list or the group of people that you want to add. So basically tags, the function to show your name, your phone number, email address, as well as a placeholder where they'll be redirected to, so on and so forth, and simply hit update and save, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.